this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I got one that came from the nice folks over at Nissin, Singapore. This is a limited edition variety. This is their creamy tom yum, and I am jazzed on this. This is my first show since, I don't know, Pepper, when was the last time I did a show? When was the last time I did one? Huh? Ladies and gentlemen, our dog, Pepper Le Pew. And, yeah, so this is my first episode that I am doing since 2 weeks, 3 weeks. I think the last one I did was the cup noodles breakfast flavor. Get this sucker going. 3 minutes on the boil, or 3 minutes on the steep, and yeah, it's been crazy. The top 10 for 2023 has come out. That was a lot of work, but that's out. The videos for more top 10s are ready to be processed and shall be shortly. And yeah, now you can see the front of the cup. Cup Noodles from Singapore. God, that's a place I really want to go. So today is the 59th day of me walking at least 10 miles a day. It's been going good. I continue to do so, and yeah. I'm rushing this. You're gonna see. Maybe I'll push it out today, actually. Today is April 24th, 2023, I think. Should be. And what else is going on? Oh, if Mimi were here, she would tell you that her ears got pierced. She's really excited about that. That's her big deal. Super stoked. Yeah. So this came in a really neat box, and I'll tell you the story about the box. I'll tell you the story about this other thing too. Been dealing with the post office. It's not these guys' fault. Package needed to be signed for. They left the slip. You signed the slip, you put it back in your mail slot. They left it there over and over and over again. And then they would give me a new one, and they would have circled, pick it up at the post office. Well, there was a letter for my wife that needed to be signed for with the same deal. Go to the post office. Nope, the mail carrier has the letter. Meanwhile, there was another letter that one of those slips got stuck to, and we thought, oh, this must be the letter, but that's weird. They would have kept the slip. And then finally I got the letter for her, and it was exactly the same thing as they just sent in the mail. It was stupid. But I had to carry this big package because I needed to do an unboxing. I knew what was inside the the box was like this, by this, by this. Had to carry it like 5 miles. Luckily it wasn't heavy, but it was really cool. It had a hot pot in there like you would use to cook, what do you call it? Tom yum, which I thought was rad. So I'm super stoked on that. It even had little charcoal bits, which is cool too. I'll have to figure out how to employ that in my doings. And last night I made chashu. It's in the fridge right now, so the next thing I'm going to do is grab my meat slicer and process that into little baggies and put them in the freezer. I'm going to trying to go back to doing all my reviewing again. We'll see. I don't know. I don't know if I'm ready to go back to it yet. I like all this walking. It takes a lot of time. Anyways, so there's that. Here's this. Let's. That didn't get so hot. Knead your sachets, then they loosen up, then you get more of the goop out. Nothing better than goop. Oh, man. Well, I was going to add a colossal shrimp to this, but since I didn't get any out, that's going to be a little difficult. They're all in the freezer. Yeah, Amazon Fresh has little bags of frozen tail-off cooked colossal... No, they're shucked and they have the tail on. And they're cooked. They're like that big. All right, let's see if I can get the most of this out. I'm gonna pour that on there. This is a paste. Yeah, I'm kind of surprised this is a limited edition because creamy tom yum is really a good thing. I've had Thai varieties, but I've never had a Singaporean creamy shrimp tom yum. And I've also, so this is tom yum, Y-A-M, and then there's tom yum, Y-U-M. And I looked around on Google, it's like, so what's the difference? Well, one of them means it's stirred or mixed, and one of them means it's this, or one of them has this in it. It's like, that was really neither here nor there. If you know, like, if there is actually a difference, I thought it was just like regional spelling. I don't know. Because tom yum from most countries in Southeast Asia has the same underpinnings. It's like it's got lemongrass and it's spicy, possibly some tomato accents, shrimp usually. Let's give this a smell. It smells like tom yum, but it's tom yum. All right, let's come and have a look, shall we? There's our noodle. Oh my. Got a nice heat to it. That might be... Let's see what we got here. It's nice. I don't think it's egg. Could be pork. There's our shrimpy friends. One thing with these cups, you want to really stir from the bottom and toss it a couple times, because it is very difficult to get all this stuff out. Look at that. That looks like a crab stick. There's one of our shrimp. And the shrimp, I think, yeah, a little shrimp. That's not shrimp. That almost tastes like a little piece of beef. Wow. Okay, one more taste. Wow. That is good. Don't make it for a limited time. No. Add that to your lineup. That's tasty. I enjoy that. It's so weird to like go from doing like 15 reviews a week to like nothing and then kind of sink my teeth back into doing this again. I like it. I like being able to take a break from time to time. I wish I really had more to put with this, but I think I know what's gonna look nice and taste good. I've got some crispy onion, which I think would be a nice, you know, I'd really like to have one of the shrimp sit on top. Let's showcase more of the garnish. Probably have to dig through here and try some more bits before or after I've taken the beauty shots. Go like that. And we've got some there's some crispy garlic. Oh, that's crispy onion. Next is the crispy garlic, and I haven't even opened it yet. My wife was like, "You were so excited to find the crispy garlic again." I'm like, "Yeah, well, it's good." "Yeah, but you haven't tried any of it yet." I'm like, "I've had it before, but I haven't been reviewing. That's what it's for." Oh, man. This stuff is amazing, folks. It's with like the salad stuff. And look, it's like a little fried garlic potato chip. Mmm. I'm telling you. It's really a really apt topping for stuff that's spicy and savory. It works. Where'd my... Uh-oh. There it is. And we've got some crushed red pepper. And I think that's where we're going to leave it with this one. This is really good. I'm going to say that this is something that it's going to be very hard not to just like chow down on. But as you probably know, most of the varieties that I review do not get eaten by me. And that really irritates some people too, but this is good stuff. Well, thank you very much for watching. There will be more of these coming soon. I've got more top 10 lists that I gotta like start cranking out for you. But yeah, this is a really good one. If you're over in Singapore and you look around, you'll find this pretty easily. It came out April 1st, and I'm sure that if it's limited edition, it'll be around till it sells out. So go look around. Yeah, it's good. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.